So to really continue to have respect for that and to honor that, at the same time, we need to start understanding that every single day, innocent people are pressured into accepting plea bargains and deals when they did nothing wrong. And the reason that is because the punishment typically to any crime is so disproportionate to a crime. I mean, the idea that a misdemeanor can carry up to an entire year of incarceration is ridiculous. This young man had no criminal record. Just by the charge that was filed against him, was facing the possibility of spending 45 years, and because it's a violent crime in Oklahoma, 45 years is life. That's how life is calculated at 85%. As the jury was instructed, if they found him guilty and gave him life, which is what it carried up to, he'd be in prison for 38 years before he would be eligible to be paroled.
You're allowed to tell the jury that in Oklahoma?
One of the things I think that Oklahoma can teach the rest of the states in the union is that here juries have a role in sentencing. Juries recommend sentence. If we're going to have that disproportionate, which is comes to the being tough on crime BS we hear from our politicians. We're going to have that disproportionate, oh, he's accused of X and may have done it, like, let's bury him under the jail type of thing. Then at the least, we should have the jury, the community from which that man comes. As I explained in closing, we are the community. The folks sitting at this table, that's government. We're all one. We are the people. That is government. And government doesn't get to take one of ours away until we give them permission. That's what a verdict is. The jury is democracy. They're the ones implementing the law. They're the ones deciding ultimately what we will do with it. And they are not going to be questioned on their decision. It's what they feel. So if we're going to have that type of system where we honor a jury should have the ability to pass a sentence on their member instead of that being left up to government. That's one thing I think we could absolutely change in this country.
I wish we would adopt it. Here in Louisiana, we don't get to even tell the jury what the penalty is unless it's a life without parole case.